Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to reset all settings on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here find and select the setup button. Afterwards, all you need to do is select here the general. Then from the left menu, you need to scroll down and choose here the default. As you can see, you can delete only the profile, but you can also choose reset all. And this is like the full nuclear option factory reset. Tapping the default confirming button while this is selected wipes every single driver profile, clears out all cached navigation maps, deletes all saved data, and reverts the entire infotainment system back to its original factory settings. So it's like completely hard reset. If you would like to accomplish that, let's just tap default. Here we've got the warning, the system will be reset to the default values and all stored data and settings will be lost. If you would like to continue, let's tap yes. And that's it, you just reset all settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.